Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, is the global market where currencies are bought and sold. It is the largest financial market in the world, with over $6 trillion traded daily. For beginners, the world of Forex can seem intimidating, but understanding the basics is the first step toward building confidence and skill. At its core, Forex trading involves buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. Currencies are quoted in pairs such as Euro USD or GBP JPY. The first currency is called the base currency, and the second is the quote currency. Traders profit from the fluctuations in exchange rates between these currencies. One of the key concepts for beginners is leverage. Forex brokers often allow traders to control large positions with a smaller amount of capital. While leverage can amplify profits, it also increases risk, so careful risk management is essential. Another fundamental aspect is technical analysis. Traders study price charts, patterns, and indicators to predict future market movements. Common tools include moving averages, support and resistance levels, and momentum indicators. Beginners should focus on mastering a few indicators rather than overcomplicating their strategy. Fundamental analysis is equally important. This involves examining economic news, interest rates, geopolitical events, and central bank decisions, which all influence currency values. Combining technical and fundamental analysis helps traders make more informed decisions. Risk management is critical in Forex trading. Setting stop-loss orders, limiting leverage, and only risking a small percentage of your account per trade are best practices. Emotional control is equally vital. Fear and greed are major pitfalls for new traders. Finally, beginners should practice with a demo account before trading with real money. Demo accounts allow you to experience live market conditions without financial risk. Over time, consistent learning, disciplined trading, and patience are what separate successful traders from those who fail. Starting your Forex journey may seem complex, but with proper education, practice, and discipline, beginners can build a foundation for long-term success in this exciting and fast-paced market.